These brand new offerings are going to help support your growth and bring in even more clients. These services are not tied to any hair purchases, meaning clients can come see you anytime without purchasing any Mayvenn products. This is our first time offering natural hair services, so the new client possibilities are endless. With shelter-in-place guidelines coming to an end, we expect the salon experience to look very different for our stylists and clients. Our new services will appeal to a broader client base, offering safe, affordable, low-hassle options. White glove booking through our concierge team makes scheduling easy and convenient for everyone. And our voucher process handles payments for you, so nothing has to be exchanged during appointments. Our new salon services currently include Weave Refresh. Now clients can extend the longevity of their install. This gets them back into your chair before they're ready to invest in a brand new one. Braid Down, another easy money-making opportunity for clients who favor wigs but want a great base. Silk Press. This is our first natural hair service. It's an opportunity for you to offer client length checks, healthy breaks between installs, and work with clients who prefer this look. Wig Install, an opportunity to make extra money ensuring that a client's wig is installed to last. We are super excited to offer these new services and can't wait for you to get started. Thanks so much for watching.